Hello everyone, this is Jim Ogozinski with your Week 7 Screencast video. Hard to believe the course is almost over, so I want to make sure everyone is aware that the earlier assignments will begin to close. I'll be closing out the research module quizzes this week. I will also be closing out the annotated bib, the double entry journal, exercise 4.3 will close on Sunday. Earlier discussion boards will also be closing this week. This all allows me to focus on the research essay and the drafts and the peer review process and moving into final grading at the end of the course going into week 8 next week. So I am recording this on Sunday morning, and on Sunday end of day the peer review for exercise 4.3 is due. Let me scroll down to this week's schedule, and week 6 is wrapping up today. Exercise 4.3, the peer review is due. So many people have written the peer exercise 4.3 and the peer review report. Some people have done it as two separate documents. Some people have combined the two. However it is handled by that individual student, you can just head into the peer report. Okay, so here we have the the actual opening exercises 4.3 with the openings. And as we roll down into the actual peer report, here is the writer's report and also the 3 things that they would like input on. All right, so what you would do then is write your name here. And then answer the report, comment on what was written here, along with providing input for the 3 things that are suggested. And also you can take a look at my questions or prompts here. All right. So then what you want to do is for the particular exercise 4.3 that you have completed a peer review on, you would just copy and paste the link, the GDoc link, to this document here where your review has been written, and head over to the assignment here in Blackboard. Let me get up the assignment uploads, and here you go. Let's see. Here, exercise 4.3 peer review upload. Just open the assignment, drop the link in the text box, click submit, and we're good to go. This is basically the same process that we will use to begin the drafting process. So this week, let me cover the schedule. Tuesday, end of day, your first draft and peer report is due. So not only is your first draft due, your peer report needs to be completed along with that. And at both links, it'll be 2-link upload to your this first draft assignment. So I can read through the first draft and I will comment on that in the Drive folder. And then the peer report will be for peer review. This week also we have our last discussion board, I believe, discussion board number 8. It's about chapter 5, exercise 5.1. As I say here, it is an excellent exercise to see and actually view how you are looking at working with your sources in your draft, okay? So your first peer response is due on Sunday, end of day. That's where you'll review one of your classmates' drafts. And also the responses for discussion board number 8. Your second peer response will probably be due Tuesday of the last week of class, along with the final draft. Let's get to the schedule here, I believe. All right, explain this out. Let's see, week 8, yes. Peer response number 2 is due Tuesday. The final draft is due Friday. And then your final letter will be due on Sunday the 26th, where the course closes. So we are winding down here. I'm sure everybody has been working on their drafts. Let me get here. Course unit, week number 7. Here is where we have week 7. all the work for week 7 and discussion board number 8. The 2 peer reviews will be due as stated. Here is the introducing the final draft of the research essay assignment, and I have an example here that you can view. Also, the upload will be where assignment uploads are located in that particular course menu item here. First draft, peer reviews, final draft, and then the letter is what we'll talk about going into next week. As always, I will post a lecture video later this week about Chapter 5 and the final drafts, clearing up any items that might come up during the course of the week. So if you have any questions, please send me an email, stay in touch. As I said here, we're closing up the course, so be aware that assignments will begin to close, and we're going to move towards the final stages of our 1102 course. So be a colleague, write good peer reports this week, and you want to be sure to provide some really excellent feedback to help everyone along. We're all in this together, right? All right, good luck. Stay safe.